The innovative Nest by Airstream jumpstarts a new era for the brand, focusing on forward-thinking design that optimizes function. Automotive designer Bryan Thompson was on board to design the semi-monocoque fiberglass structure that features 6 windows, a skylight, a wide front windshield that resembles a pair of sky goggles, and a vertical window in the back doorway, making for a light interior. At just 3,400 pounds, the Nest is easy to tow, and the interior is available in two floor plan options, one with a U-shaped dinette that converts to a bed, and another that's designed with a permanent bed complete with a queen tuft and needle mattress. Inside there is plenty of storage along with premium fixtures, a 2-burner stove, microwave, and even a bathroom. It comes in two colorways, clutch blue and wingspan white. You can choose from. Nest by Airstream starts at $45,900, which seems pretty reasonable considering a luxury car starts around the same price. Also, thank you guys.